I think I've cracked the 150 PRs per week, a goal I've set myself, and in this video I'll show you how I did it. I developed a custom harness called Ready for Agent. This allows me to be much more efficient when using coding agents such as OpenCode, Codex or Grok. You connect one or more GitHub repositories, and if you have issues labeled with Ready for Agent, you can let the harness implement them. This flow, creating GitHub issues, is based around an approach pioneered by Matt Pocock. In his approach, you first go through a grilling session where you and your agent come to a shared understanding on what to build. You then create a specification and one or more tickets to implement this. That's step 1 to 3 of his approach. My harness automates steps 4 and 5 of his way of working. A link to his way of working is in the video description. The problem here is that you end up with a lot of issues, and asking your agents to work on them is time consuming and exhausting. With my Ready for Agent, this is much easier. Just ask it to implement a single ticket or an entire specification. You click on Implement Now and will ask the backend agent you have configured to implement the issue. Ready for Agent supports 3 backends right now: OpenCode, Grok and Codex. You can specify build, a review model and effort for each. You can configure this per repo if you want. Back to the Kanban board. The first phase is build and then verifying it would pass any pre-commit check. And there's a separate review phase, preferably done by another model. And if that passes, a PR is created and we wait till all GitHub status checks are green. If enabled, the issue will be auto-merged, or sit there waiting for you, the human in the loop, to do the final pass. You can see that in the attention lane where I have a ticket I want to manually review before merging it. This harness takes away so much babysitting that I have been able to increase merged PRs by a large factor. I just focus on design and creating GitHub issues, and the agents implement them.